As coaches, you are required to take a certain number of classes online for the PIAA. Once you have successfully finished your classes, you must upload your certificate of completion to the PIAA website. To do that, you must go to PIAA.org. In the top right, click on the Login button. From here, you will need to select the Coaches tab and then select Register. Here, you fill out all of your information and create a unique username and password. Once you fill out this section and click Register, you have your official PIAA coaching account. Once you have completed your required courses, select Add PIAA Documentation. From here, you can upload your completed offline certificates that Paula will create. In addition to the PIAA documentation, you must also add a school affiliation. To do this, you select Add School and search for Springford. Note that you are required to select high school even if you are a middle school coach. Once you choose your school, you must also complete the annual courses Concussion-Wise and Cardiac-Wise. These courses are mandated to be done on a yearly basis in addition to your Safe Schools courses. The courses are about 20 minutes each and must be completed by August 1st. Upload the certificate in the Optional School Education area. For more information, you can contact the athletic office.